What's up, everybody? Gravity Gamer here, and how I told you, we were gonna play some Watch Dogs 2. So let's get started. Start me with the camera and move it a little bit. I don't know how to record it yet on my PlayStation. But we're gonna record one time. Let's start. So I got into the game a lot, but let's see what we can do. This is gonna be short. I'm just gonna do this and I'm gonna start. I'm just checking on the timer. Oh, fudge. Yeah, this is my second video today because I was gone for a little bit and I came back and I know there's some music on. Is the game. So what do I have to do here? Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna whip us up a nasty little EMP bomb. I don't think I'll have a problem finding the right parts in this place.
Hello, mister.
Man, the robots we could build in here.
Yeah, maybe next time.
So I'm gonna try to be sneaky. This is not gonna work a lot. I'm gonna get seen. Fudge. Oh my gosh. Wait. Fuck. Quick. Ninja. I'm a ninja. Boom. So I only seen robots here. I haven't seen any other things. So what do I have to do here? Fight! Robots! Are you kidding me? Fudge! Yeah, robot. Yeah. What are you? Oh, sorry. Not you. Fight! I'm dead. 100% dead. Oh. You need some help here? You don't need some help here. Let's do this fast, because I don't got any time. Maybe tomorrow's gonna be another video. Maybe. I got school. How am I gonna get in here? Where's the other guy at? Oh, dead. Where's the other guy at? Oh, sorry. No! You're not hitting at me. How are you shooting at me? Oh, you think I'm good? Okay. Now it's really rough.
The robots we
There you go, we're back.
build in here.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Yeah, but it was like 1 second. For me, it was kind of long. Yep. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry.
Security
Sorry.
is inbound.
Oh my gosh. Why do you see me so fast?
Nope.
Are you serious? I got guns. It's gonna be fast. Run. Oh, just because you have armor doesn't mean I cannot kill you. Oh, no. You are gonna cry like a baby. There you go, he's dead. Go, fast. Put him in the face. Look at that buddy. Oh, hear your music. You deserve that. Parkour! Damn! Hey, I know you have armor, but you need to do that. I'm a hacker. Remember that! I know it's gonna be hotter in your heart. Are you serious? Another one? Oh God. If I don't do this fast, they're gonna get me, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna cry so much. And I don't wanna cry. You don't wanna see me cry, right? You wanna see me cry? Go. Go. Go, business. Watch out, a guy left. Oh, fudge! Crap! Ding, boom. Whew, that was scary. So scary. Oh, you know what? I'm a ninja. You know, I should shut up. I'm like, boom. You pull your own weapon and die, man. Boom. Dude. Yeah, and the videos are gonna get better if when I figured out how to record on my PlayStation. Because I don't have internet on my PlayStation yet, so when I have internet, the videos are gonna be good. Promise that. I don't know what the freaking key is. Where the key at? 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 Where's the guy with the key? Hey, guy with the key, I don't got time, man. Gosh damn, I have to go through here. The kid's upstairs. Of course it's gonna be upstairs. Everything's upstairs. Everything has to be upstairs. Oh, but I'm a sneaky ninja. Got it. Hey, yo, I'm a ninja. Oh, no, no, no. Did you see? I'm not a great shooter. And I'm sorry if you hear coughing, because I'm my brother, okay? I don't have good things, like all those older YouTubers. Not like Emiliano Berre. I know, he's a good YouTuber. And you should go and subscribe to him right now. He needs some people so you can subscribe. Sorry for my French. Gosh damn it! I don't want to remember anymore. What are you? Where the freak is that? Didn't I open this? If you're here, you know I opened this. Maybe I got shot and didn't work. Okay. I still have 7 minutes. So that should be open up there, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a hacker. Oh yeah, I am a hacker. I'm not a don't ask me more questions, please. I don't want you to make me fun. Oh, you said I opened this. This is closed. What is it? What is this open? Oh my freaking gosh. Yeah, this game is really frustrating. But I love it. So maybe if you want me to see like online things with other people, friends or something like that, it'll be better. But when those videos come out, I'm gonna my internet will be here, so maybe I might not be posting videos tomorrow. Maybe I'll do another video of this, but maybe then not. Where the frick do I go? How do I open this key? Where's the key? I mean the freaking key. I'm gonna cry. Please don't make me. Oh yeah, I forgot how to do these things. But don't make me cry. Cause this is open. Right. You're on my order. Shut up. Shut up. So what do I do now? Oh, there's what's? Thank you guys that open the doors. I have to get up this with this thing. This thing's so slow.
Catch me if you can.
Catch me if you can. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need a key to get up here. Wait, don't I have a drone? Nah, I can have it over here. Now I can open the door and do this. I'm a hacker. Oh, I'm a hacker. I'm a good man. Okay, I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be the first part of Watch Dogs 2. I've done a lot before, but I'm gonna do all the side missions. Maybe some of the main missions.
Wrench, I got the EMP
I
ready.
think this is
Where's
main
Junior
mission
now?
or side
I got him
mission.
ready at the drop-off
We're gonna
zone.
complete this main
Can you
mission.
get the door for me?
You got it.
It's so good to put it there for you. You shut up, please. You don't even know what you're talking about. You ain't happy. Oh my goodness. You want. That's for being a bad guy. A bad thing. What am I to do, Wrench? What am I to do? What do you want me to do? Oh, you want me to open the door for you? Of course. How do you open the door for you? I don't know. I'm not a genius. Wrench. I think that's your name. I remember. I haven't played this game since last week. Oh, shit. Okay, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I'm going to these. Go, 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 go. Hey, Ranch, what are you doing? Ranch, what are you doing? Ooh. Took a picture of that. I'm gonna post it on your Instagram. My Instagram. Make fun of you. Weird ass. Weird on me. It was video styles, it's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Okay, little guy.
I'm checking.
It's your day.
I think we still got 11. Okay. I'll keep checking.
All right, Junior's ready for pickup. Next
Yeah.
stop, Titus.
Wrench, you and I need to powwow. I have an idea. I'm sending you some coordinates to follow.
Ooh, a special mission.
Marcus, you meet me outside Titus when you're ready. Near the big Silicon Valley sign.
Are you running the show now?
No. This one's going to be mostly Marcus, but I'm going to do everything I can to make sure he gets in there.
I'll see you there, Ray.
The report. I'm tired. Thank you, Carter. So I have to skip this and we'll complete the mission. This is gonna be the end of the episode. And no dance. Yes, I can. Okay. This one was short, but next time we're gonna do this one. I think we were doing the Robot Wars, so we're gonna do this one. I think this is the last mission. Then we'll do something, all the side missions or more main missions or line thing. And dance.
Oh.
And